Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hide the Loom screen recorder option while you're recording, so let's jump right in. First, direct your attention to the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see an extension icon there, typically represented by a puzzle piece or similar symbol. Go ahead and click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu of all your installed browser extensions. This is where you'll access Loom and adjust its settings. From the list of extensions that appears, locate and click on Loom. This will open up the Loom extension panel, giving you quick access to its main features and controls. The extension panel is your hub for managing how Loom operates while you're using your browser. Once the Loom panel opens, look for the three dots icon, often called the More menu. This button is usually positioned in the corner of the panel and provides access to additional options and configurations. Click on these three dots to expand the menu and reveal more settings. From the expanded menu, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Click on it to proceed. This is where you can customize various aspects of how Loom functions during your recording sessions, including what elements are visible on your screen. Now, within the Settings menu, scroll through the options until you find one called Recording Controls. This feature determines whether the Loom control panel appears on your screen while you're recording. If you want a cleaner recording without these controls visible, you'll need to turn this off. Click the toggle button beside Recording Controls to disable it. You'll notice the toggle switches from its active state to inactive, confirming that the recording controls will no longer appear during your sessions. Next, look for another option in the settings called Show Recording Time. This setting controls whether a timer displaying your recording duration appears on your screen. For a completely distraction-free recording experience, you'll want to turn this off as well. Click the toggle button beside Show Recording Time to disable it. Just like before, the toggle will switch states, indicating that the recording time display has been turned off. With both of these settings disabled, you can now start recording your video without any on-screen recorder options cluttering your view. Your recordings will be clean and professional looking, with no control panels or timers visible to distract from your content. And that's it, you've successfully hidden the Loom screen recorder option, giving you a cleaner recording experience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.